Certified Tech Roofing, Certified Media Live. We're here at the antenna. Yeah, we're queued in. It's all fucking hooked up. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. But this is Certified Tech Roofing, Certified Media. We're gonna put out a little call on the bell.
I guess everybody took a day off around Cali, man. Show in, everybody bumping down, without a bag. Hello to you once again, dog. Dr. Good News. Gateway City, get on up. Bye.
As Certified Tech Roofing, this is the bell. The hammer just went to take a shit. He's coming back. I'm the perculators of the Perculatorians. I got the Percalist. This is Nutcadius of the Nutcadians. It's Nutticus. Certified Tech Roofing, the bell. The hammer's coming in. Should be here soon. We got big prizes. $63,000 truck, yeah! And total prizes, $25,000 top prize lot. That's for our day in court. But we don't even wanna.
What the fuck are you doing, man? What are you doing?
I'm just starting the program. I thought I'd start before I get into it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You show them all the fucking antenna shit or what?
No, I didn't go through the end. I didn't show them. I haven't shown them yet.
Fucking antenna, fucking shit right there, man.
I thought
fucking wheels and fucking shit, and then we got the big fucking connector over here. Oh, so do you know what this shit does?
Looks like an array booster. It's like an antenna array.
And then you got the fucking.
What just happened? It's still recording.
Okay, so I guess you're the camera guy.
We are the two witnesses.
I guess I'll fucking shoot in.
I might have missed some stuff.
Certified. So this is certified tech roofing. Roof. We had a Nutcadius event. The trainman, the peanut trainman people decided to do. I don't know what they were doing, but they're doing some kind of trainman stuff. But the Toledo decided not to do the Toledo of the Bill C-21, and the gun seizure is not in effect. We're into it, and it's a full-time job, but we need assist. Recommend direct fucking crane tech and trucker record. It's sorry about my speech. Speckle and Peckle. Certified Tech Roofing, over.
14, catch you later, 766, bye.
Now we got the fucking train roll. Why don't you tell the audience about all your fucking hellish behavior?
What, calling cops peanuts? I realized today, I don't know if the video caught it, the previous one, but I was getting a bit frustrated, right? But then rickkay reminded me after the camera was off, or right before, he's like, they're just little babies. They don't even have any tools. They're just little babies. I kind of had a realization of compassion for these guys that I've been calling peanuts. They're really just little, I don't know, not even out of their training diapers. They haven't given their pencil fucking rights license yet, I guess. They don't have their business card licenses. They haven't really been given any tools to do anything. And then they get ordered in on a couple of like dog faces, and we got some pretty high level stuff to deal with, and then they can't do anything, and then I'm being a dick, I guess. I want to just say, like, I realized I was being a dick. No, I love you guys. I'm gonna help you guys. Oh yeah, Rickay's do it. Rickay's gonna go through the web. The way I can describe this, it's kind of like, yeah, the credit card, guys, the fucking credit card scandal. They took the 20 grand. I was trying to be responsible. I didn't authorize it with Rickkay, and I paid off the credit cards. And then all that money just evaporated, and now we can't see it on any of the documents. Credit card, credit card, credit card, credit card! Credit card. But yeah, as I was explaining, Yoda's doing is like Yoda stuff with the radio. It's like a telephone operator from the 1940s. They click, click, oh, it's cue in. Yeah, no doubt about it. Watch him go, guys. Holy fuck! Don't worry, buddy. You can roll with the big boys as well. There's a lot of people out there on the waves, riding high, getting down, down, down. Oh yeah. So he goes through and picks out like a segment, and picks a little, because there's millions and millions of transmissions out there. Yeah, fireball show. He said Pablo hired the what? Yeah, we gotta get some music happening. Dance, dance, contest, guys. Don't forget about the prizes. Good news. We realised the New Frontier lawsuits, but I thought the good news was we realised the problem. We've been doing a lot of research, guys, looking into it, and going to every department and every agency and everyone, and no one can do anything. And we realised we have to do it ourselves. Like the fucking... Rickay's still pushing the buttons. But... Well, now we know the problem. They don't have the switches or the gears.
you don't have my switches and gears in the shot either. Why don't you talk? You already know what's going on.
I already said what's going on. I'm not fucking doing this, Rick. This is fucking Morty. Fucking Morty. I'm not fucking just telling everyone all this stuff. Listen to the radio. It made you look.
I made this art shit.
Oh yeah, he built the ark. We already went through the ark so many times. Go back and look at all the videos when we had it in the
Why
truck.
don't you ask the clicker a question?
Hey guys, can we get a 18-wheeler roll town, 10-wheeler fucking? Can we get like lots of trucks around Vancouver?
It's off.
Yeah, but I don't need to click in. I don't need to click in on this stuff.
But it's clearly off.
Yeah, I know it's clearly off. Alright, Rickay's just...
Okay, One-Eyed Jack?
Yeah, this is code stuff. What does One-Eyed Jack mean, Rickay?
How come this went off by itself?
It didn't. Did it? It's just the squelch.
Alright, well ask the fucking thing. Like, it's the person right here.
Can I get a hamburger? Can I get a hamburger?
Alright, well ask you some better questions. It's obviously not going to give you a number.
Okay, what's my wife up to right now? Here. What's
You
my...
don't need to cue in.
Yeah, I know I don't. Okay, I got a unit in the air.
No 45, good meal, getting on up or something. Whew. Sounds like no phone calls.
Okay, you want me... I think that was the previous question earlier. You ask a question. Holy fuck. Yeah, you ask a question. Can't even think of a question. What the fuck do you ask a radio that speaks? He's like, I can't ask.
Talk about the dogs.
Yeah, you take the camera. He likes to look at himself.
It's amazing. Technology these days. I didn't even cue in. Oh, is that? You want to see something really cool?
Yeah, I know you got the red bone, he call himself Eater. He call himself Eater. That's what he call himself, Mr. Eater. The red bone. Worldwide 766. Come on into you. 22.9 get that.
Pretty cool. I think so.